Alright, it's Jordan here, and as you may know, the Superman set for Heroclix just came out. I actually just got finished playing in a tournament at my local comic shop, Time Warp Comics in Boulder. While I was there, we had a booster draft, so you can check out my other video to see what I pulled in the booster draft. But then I also decided to pick up these two other boosters, and let's go ahead and open these and see what I got. Alright, so here we have Maxwell Lord as my rare. Then uncommon, I got Lucy Lane, Superwoman, and Invisible Kid. And my commons, I got Lex Luthor and Brainiac 5. Let's go ahead and check out what's in the second one. Alright, so over here, for my rare, I got Starman. Then I have Matter Eater Lad. So that one's kind of funny. He's chomping on that beam right there. I got Bruno Mannheim, and Livewire, and a Kryptonian Soldier. So here's just a little look over what I pulled from those two boosters. Up front, there's the Starman and the Maxwell Lord. Then the uncommons in the second row, Bruno Mannheim, Invisible Kid, Lucy Lane, Superwoman, and Matter Eater Lad. Then in the back are the commons, the Kryptonian Soldier, a Livewire, which I had pulled before, and the same thing with the Brainiac 5 and the Lex Luthor. But yeah, wish there was a super rare in one of those two boosters, but I do like that Lucy Lane Superwoman and the Matter Eater Lad. So I'm okay with this these two boosters. Can't be too upset considering what I pulled during the actual tournament. So thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you subscribe.